All right, so far I totally did the right thing by taking profit. You know, you get the double bottom, which is the earliest sign of reversal. You have to take profit at the double bottoms. I took everything off here. I took some off, here. I re-added back here, took some off here, took the rest of off here, and now we're coming back up. So what this looks like over here is that the trade I took here was an 8 o'clock reversal. It hit here, it came down, and then the next candle just fired up. Um, 8 o'clock. Let's see. So if you can see, the orange line represents the high and low of the 8 o'clock candle. That's 8. And I'm changing the color here, so I'm marking it. So that's the high of the 8 o'clock candle, and that's the low of the 8 o'clock candle. It's hard to see it because I have a study that keeps the low of day, and the low of day just so happens to be the exact same time as the 8 o'clock candle, okay? So, right there, 8 o'clock, low of day and 8 o'clock is what it was. And then say I got the nice reversal. It hit here a little bit, came down, and then fired back up. So this is a good spot to take profit, which is one of the reasons why I did. But over here, the setup here is that here I should have took profit. I did not. I was lucky the next candle fired up and went all the way up to here, and that's where I took a lot of it off when it hit this 5-minute 9 EMA coming down. Then as price came down here, there's another trade I have, which is green crossing blue. This is still trending down, but because green is crossing blue, it closes above here, comes down, hits here, and starts to go up. You have to really know what you're looking for, and your entry is here, and your re-entry is here, and you go up with the rest. And your stop is below here, but it happens really quick, so you got to be careful. And lucky I got out of everything, because if I didn't, I would have given up 42 cents per contract all the way down to 70 cents. So I would have lost 50% of my profits had I not taken it. But, I took a good portion off here, saved a couple, added 2 back here, and took off the rest, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up here. So this would be a good time to start getting back in, to go back long again. But as you can see here, clean double bottom. Hit here, bottom, 8 o'clock to 8:15, 8:20, hits the double bottom perfectly and starts to go back up. If I was really good, I would have flipped and gone long, and I would make 100% from 50 to $1. That's 100% right there. But I did take everything off because I made such a good trade here, and you have to take profit off at the double bottom. You have to. But I'm still sort of short biased. I'd love to enter in around here. This would actually be a good spot to enter in something here. Let's enter in 2 just for the heck of it. I'm going to enter in 2 right here. And then I'm going to add a little bit more to it later on. Really cheap options. What I'm adding into it now is right here. Oopsie. Remove arrow. Oh, actually, these are not the ones I was watching, but that is where I added. Let's find the ones I was watching here. Okay, yeah, these are the ones I was watching. So I just added here at about 17 cents. Oh man, good ad. Okay, so I'm hoping it's gonna get resistance here. This is still trending up nicely, so that's not good. I need this to start coming down. Um, so what I think is gonna happen, this is coming down nicely as resistance, but I think we might pop up over here a little bit more and then reverse back down. So we might come all the way back up and retest this level right up here, which is the low of the 8 o'clock candle. So the low of this candle, which is right here, I expect price to come all the way up here. I'm going to add a few more and then come back down. I could just get out of these contracts here for a break even. But how much can I lose? I can't, I mean, these things are only worth $15. They're really cheap. Hmm. Let's get out of these. I'm going to get out of these. Well, just wait and see. This is not really... Okay, the reason why... Okay, this is coming up, so this is a trend going up. So we're not quite short yet. This looks short here, and we're not quite short here because we recaptured the one. But this could totally fail down here, and that's a nice retest of the high here at 830, huh? Oh yeah, dang it. I should have held that. This shows a fat double bottom, which could go up even higher and higher and higher. But I don't think so. I think we're going to come back down here. I got back short here. I got out. Could be making money here, but because this is sort of trickling up here, I need this to start coming down more for me to really confirm this is going down. Whoever got long here just made 100% here. So that's a good reversal trade that I probably should have took, because I definitely got out of all my position here because of the double bottom here. Bottom, bottom. Now what's funny is that these are calls, right? So this is a double bottom here on calls, but when you look at SPY, you do not see a double bottom. Let me pull up SPY on a bigger chart here. On the option chain, you got a clear double bottom, but on SPY, you do not have a clear double bottom. There's a bottom there, and then the bottom here, okay? So this easily has a potential to go all the way back up here. This is still trending up. It's not trending down. You could take a trade here, and if price gets above here, you're out. And then, because this could hit here and continue to go down, and then this will finally curl down and start coming down. But it's very interesting that this is actually a double bottom on the option chain right here. Okay, So we'll flip back and let's look at, let me detach this and you can see a bigger picture of this. So here is, pretty much the exact double bottom right here. Just at 51 cents, at 50 cents. It went in the morning, the options went down a little bit, then it increased 100%. 7 o'clock went up to 200%, came all the way back down. I thought about getting back short again, but no, everything was looking like it was trending up. I went up, up, up. I got in short around near the double top here, added more at the high of day here, which is not quite yet to the 200 here, but I went in because this is like three levels here from the day before. This is not a trade, but this is not a setup that I trade at all. But because of the resistance was here, and we were just above 8 o'clock. The 8 o'clock candles right here were just above it. And I said, this might be a spot for good resistance. So I gave it a shot. And one of the reasons why I held it a little bit longer was because the options I was trading were absolutely dirt cheap. Even if it went up a little bit higher, I can't lose more than $7 max risk. So it could trickle down a little bit to 6 or 5 cents. It wasn't going to move very fast. But if I got the reversal that I wanted, that was 500%. A max of 500% right there. So that was pretty good. So anyway, this is a really good lesson right here. A really good lesson. All right, so what do we see here? I do not want to trade. See how this is recapturing the 5? This is going to be green crossing blue going higher, but I think we're going to hit here and come down. So I'm still short biased. So I'm thinking we're going to retest up here. So my next trade, I really want to take a double bottom. We get a double bottom here. I'll take this trade, and hopefully we'll go up even higher. But we'll see. You can see that this is now beginning to trend up. This is still trending down. It's okay to actually go long. As long as this is trending up, it's okay to take a trade here. This was an 8 o'clock reversal, which was sort of risky because these are all coming down. But reversals happen on the hourly candle. And as you can see, it was a massive reversal. But now this is beginning to trend back up. We could be, the setups is a double bottom, or it could be re-entry as it gets over the 50, comes back, retest this, then we go long, and our stop is here. Entries here, stops here. So we'll see what happens. Oh boy, coming back down. Went up just a little bit. It didn't get quite up to 8. It's coming back down. Not paying attention. I still don't want to get in. It's just not. I mean, this is great though. If this is a fat red candle here, that's good because there's no candles that close above the 5 minute mid Bollinger Band. This is still trending down nicely. So let's just wait till this 5 minute candle is completed first. Oh, baby. I should take this trade. I'm going to take this trade. Okay, I'm taking this trade. Five-minute candle has just now completed. So 11:45. I want a continuation down here now. We took profit here on the double bottom. We retraced to the green and blue. I want to take it down again. Here's the retracement to the blue here. From here, retrace to the blue, and we're coming down again. So as long as we don't get above 95 here, my trade is good. Over here on the put side, it looks really good on the call side, but here you're below the blue, but the blue is trending up. You're below blue here, but if you can get more candles, a candle that closes above blue here, this could really begin to take off. So let's see what happens here. This needs to come down more, but I'm gonna get ready to get out of this if this doesn't work here. I'm not risking much. I would like to add to this actually. If I can find a good ad. Hourly candle is coming up in less than 15 minutes. So that will be significant to some respect. Things are trading pretty well. It's moving. Just gonna be on the right side of this here. Let's see. Uh-oh, going against me. Got it at 41. I lost $6. Yeah, let's keep. Ooh, okay. Let's slip in here just a little bit more. Okay, I'm at full position now. And I'm going to set a stop at 34. It's a little bit lower, higher than I want. Here's I added a little bit more here and a little bit more here, so my stop really should be 33. I'll switch it to 33. So I'm going to stop out of everything at 33. This is trending up nicely. Can't get below here. This is resistance here, but if we break above this, this is going to fire pretty hard to the long side. So let's see what happens. So nicely trending up. This is not a really great trade here, but if you look at the calls we got out here. This is trending down. That's what I wanted, and I just need this to fail, and I need this bottom to break to fall out of it. If we can get to another bottom and break it, oh, that's gonna be massive. That's gonna be a nice profit here. But my stop is set. And then this is just beginning to trend down just a hair. So let's see if this continues to go down here. And it'll be right before the 12 o'clock candle. And let's see what SPY is doing. SPY, nothing above the 5-minute mid. This is creeping down a little bit. This is trending down nicely. So this might be the final retest or final move up and then come down. If we get anything above here, I have to get out. So this is definitely my stop. This is anything above here, I have to stop out. So I want this to continue to come down. And you can see this is a 7 o'clock candle. So we can get below the 7 o'clock candle. That'd be even better, but I don't know. I think I'll take off most of my profit. If this continues down towards here, I'm going to take off most of my profit. If we make a new low, I'll take off most of my profit down here. Over here, I got in more here, a little bit here, stopped out, waited for that, got back in here, added a little bit more here, so I'm in full position here. So I want this to break over. This is resistance here, but if we get over this, it's gonna pop up here nicely. And it's gonna go right up here like that, and I'll take profit. But this is nice here. I can stop out down here with a good risk to reward. So let's see what's going on here. Here we go. Here we go. That's exactly what we want. I'm going to take off a little bit of profit here. Take a little bit of profit there. So this is, we need a close, we need a green candle to close above this. We have 2 minutes and 30 seconds before it to close here. We're about to hit a new low here. As we get to a new low here, I'm going to take another one off. Because you always take profit at the new low. But we're going to make a new lower low here. We're going to make a new lower low here. I almost guarantee it. Okay, I'm gonna wait a little bit longer here. Dude, I'm killing it today. Started off a little bit bad, but doing good now. Okay, there's your new low. That's your break of the new low, and I'm taking more here. That's damn near 100%. That's a 100% move right there. Taking more profit because we're getting up to the purple line, the 50, and we just made this killer trade. I told you what if this is resistance, but as soon as it breaks over it, man, you're gonna make money. You're gonna make money. it goes, baby. Dude, heck yeah. Heck yeah, here we go, baby. Dude, we'll take that. There's your lower low. I think I called that, baby. That was fantastic. That was fantastic, baby. What a good trade that was. Okay, so now the next trade is gonna be, oh, look at this. Okay, so here's the 5 minute red is at 113. The 5 minute, the 2 minute is here. You got to take profit as you hit red up here. You made a new lower low. You got in here. I mean, I made 100% on that in just a couple of seconds here. 37, this I got in around 36, 37 times 2 would be 60, 74. 74 is right there. That's 100% right there. So I went about 150% profit right there. And I took all of it off. Dude, I think it's time to walk, baby. That was an incredible trade. And look at the volume kick in too. Dude, oh man, you could not have asked for a better trade than that. That was spectacular. Okay. I gotta figure what the hell am I doing now? Dude, that was freaking awesome.